All right, sit rep. We've cleared up the piece of plastic as much as I can. I'll get close here, although you're gonna pick up a bunch of fan noise. But you can see what's left of the scratches. I think I can cover the rest with a decal. It's not horrible. If there's a decal over it, you wouldn't really notice unless you were really getting down there and looking for it. We've got this glued, super glued, pretty damn well. It doesn't even wiggle. No. I think that'll hold. All it is providing that grommet hole for the brake light assembly, which just has a plug, one screw, one plug, and just slides in, giggity, and then secures with that one screw. So I've got the new one on order. You can see the damage there and the hole in it and all the cracks and stuff. So I just got to get the new one, put it in, plug it in, and then put the plastic back on, put the seat back on, and Humpty Dumpty will be 98% as good as new. And then decal down there, and you really wouldn't know anything was smashed. So there you have it. Not the worst thing that's ever happened.